So we had the song Block Baby with Lil Loaded, and now we're gonna analyze it.
Now we're gonna show you the first verse of the song. Yes, so that was the first verse, and now we're gonna make an analysis.
So let's have a look at the first few lines. Badass kids. We was running with the street lights. This bar actually has a double meaning. Racing with the street lights. When he was younger, he had to be home before the street lights went on, or Mama would be mad. But it also refers to the street racing on the streets, from one light to another.
Next sentence, brand new fit, got a Glock with G-Nikes, and brand new fit means brand new outfit, and he's got a Glock, which is a gun, and then he got the G-Nikes, which is the Nike Cortez, which is a famous shoe that many gangsters wear.
Fresh white tee with a creased pair of Levi's. It means that he got a new white tee and an old pair of Levi's.
The next one, real ass crip, I'll never ever be slime, which means that he's a real crip and he'll never switch sides. And crip is a gang.
Fake ass bitch, she'll never ever be mine. Cut a hoe off. We don't like these felines, no cap. These girls are fake. They be cheating. Here he says that he doesn't like fake bitches. He mentions felines, referring to pretty but fake women. Cats. No cap means that he's talking real shit.
So that was just a few examples from the text of how the text is, and I'm gonna talk a little bit about the language. So it's clear to see that he's using a lot of AAV, and I have an example right here. And my uncle doing live, he ain't never coming home, and he's doing the double negation, ain't and never. So yes.
He used many slang and swear words, and the slang makes the text more confusing for someone, but for the young people it does the text more interesting. He is very aggressive in the language.
So there's a lot of rhymes in this song. Just if we take the first two lines, badass kids, we were racing with streetlights, brand new fit, got a Glock with the G-Nikes. So there's double rhymes. There's badass kids.
Fuck, du irriterende.
So there's a lot of rhymes in this song. There's this double rhyme scheme in the first two lines where he says badass kids, we was racing with the streetlight, brand new fit, got a Glock with the G-Nikes. So kids and fit and streetlight and Nikes rhyme, and in the rest of the song there's just end rhymes all the way down, just all the end words which rhymes.
We had made a semantic field, and there is 3 boxes: persons, body parts, and slang.
So the song's about this guy and about his life in the hood.